YouTube, what's poppin'? It's the big homie Dev Gen back with yet another video. And I know y'all looking around wondering what's all this stuff going on, but today is a special day, as every day is. But today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make my homemade lemon pepper wings, man. My wife loves them. I made it for her a few times, and every time she says this is the best thing she ever ate. I'm not even lying to you, but today I'm going to be sharing my recipe and what I use with you guys. So maybe, you know, if you got a lady or a girlfriend and you're trying to impress her, here's one of the things that you can whip up for. It's really easy. You know, I got all the ingredients here, and I'll put it in the description below as well, so that way you can follow along. It's fail-proof, guys and ladies. It's fail-proof, and it tastes really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you, you know, the ingredients and what I do, and just follow along. And right now, just before anything, comment, like, and subscribe on this video. Give it a thumbs up if you really do like it. Leave a comment if you think what I'm doing with these wings is a good idea. Tell me if they look good. Give it a thumbs up in the comment section if the wings look good. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, I'm going to start off with 1 cup of flour, putting that right into my bowl. Again, this is going to be our batter. And now I am using kosher salt. In the description below, I'll put all the correct portion amounts, but for me, I've been making it for a while, so I know, you know, the eyeball test, so to speak, and I know how much to use. Again, I'm using black pepper, pure black pepper. Now I'm mixing my lemon pepper seasoning into the batter. So again, you want to do salt, pure ground black pepper, and then lemon pepper seasoning in the batter. You want to start to mix that really good, making it real smooth where it's all mixed in. It's not clumpy. You know, you want it to be finely mixed together. And as I try to show you guys here, we always have to season our meat. I always like to season my meat before I put it on any type of heat, or on a grill or an oven, or in grease. I like to just season the meat right then and there, not just using my batter, but again, season it. So I'm hitting it again with some salt and pepper, and I'm going to do it on both sides so it can be evenly coated. The wings are seasoned, and now it's time for the batter. Now I'm taking my chicken and I'm dropping it into the batter. We're almost there. I'm ready to eat, but again, we have to do these things first. I'm making sure it's evenly coated. I always want to start off with 1 wing just to kind of get that tester to see how it coats. Make sure it's sticking to the chicken. After that, I'll drop a few more chicken wings all in there at once. You can do it how you want. It's no problem. Just drop it in there. Make sure it's always evenly coated on both sides. And again, just set them off to the side and get ready for that grease. So I've heated my grease, and now we're ready to cook. Do you hear that sound right there? Do you hear that grease popping as soon as you drop that chicken in? Oh my goodness, that's one of the best sounds in the world. So as I drop the other pieces of chicken in, for me, I have 12 wings, so I'm going to do 6 and 6. So I drop those first 6 chicken wings in there, and look at it, it's just bubbling, it's cooking, it's working towards that golden brown that we're looking for. So again, for me, chicken wings don't take very long when you're cooking in hot grease. So it's about 6 to 8 minutes total, and I'll flip it halfway through. So around that 3 to 4 minute mark, I'll flip my chicken, and then we're almost there. Use a lid when cooking things with grease. You know, you see videos of people always running by the stove when grease is popping because they don't want to get popped, and it gets. Now I'm using my 100% lemon juice. You can use cut lemons if you want. For me, I just don't feel like squeezing lemons in there, so I'll just go ahead and just put a little splash of 100% lemon juice in there. It has the same effect. And then I'm going to hit it with my lemon pepper seasoning. Again, this is for the outside, so you can get that coat of lemon pepper. Chicken wings, I melted 6 tablespoons of butter, put it in the microwave 30 seconds, melt it down very finely. Again, for me, I don't want it to be too lemony, so I want to, tone it down a little bit with some salt and some pepper. Make it very easy, make it very smooth, and then we're going to go ahead and get ready to dip the chicken wings into our mix after we mix it all in very finely. The chicken is done. You can eat it like this if you wanted to. You could just eat it with salt and pepper and just make regular fried chicken. But again, we're trying to make lemon pepper wings, homemade lemon pepper wings. So again, we want to dip that in there, let it set it off to the side so it can dry, and then we're going to be ready to eat. The chicken is done. It looks amazing. I'm ready to eat, but this is the final product of your homemade lemon pepper wings. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the wings are done. They smell amazing. Man, they even look even better. So you can see that. You can see the lemon pepper seasonings already all over the chicken. You can also see the pepper as well. So again, this is a great dish to make. Again, fellas, you got a lady coming over. This is a great way to impress her, to show her you know your way around the kitchen. So without further ado, I'm gonna take this first bite. Take this one right here. Just calling my name. Oh yeah. That's it. That's a good bite. Real good. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe. It's the big homie, Dev Jen, with how to make homemade lemon pepper wings. Peace.